Here we go again. Let's start this time with different way because I'm gonna F up everything again. I make mistake. This is the third time that I'm trying to make this video. Not DJH, okay? Not the short block DJH, Tassos. You're talking about DLB. Full engine, okay? I have repaired a couple of parts here and there, alright? I'm talking about DLB. Fine, and I'm talking about the cylinder head. Today, it's still Wednesday, November 29, 2023. Currently, I'm checking the E400 out there, but I want to make one update for the DLB. Yay, lovely. Okay, I was saying that, you know what, has only 23,000 kilometers, obviously. But what was my problem? What I'm thinking? Should I clean the cylinder head? Should I remove the valves, lap the valves, change the valve seals? Or should I call it a day and put it like that? I was 70-30. 30% to keep it as this and 70% to strip it off everything, clean it to be okay. And that's what I'm gonna do. Why I'm gonna do that? I want to remove the carbon here, which on the fuel injectors. Alright? I want to remove all the carbon around in the combustion chamber, in the ports, okay? Like any other time. You see here up it's wet of oil. You're gonna start smoking a little bit, but if I keep it like that, you're gonna smoke a little bit more actually. And now I have a chance to remove, okay, it doesn't have that much for 23,000 kilometers. It has, but it doesn't have that much, okay? So I'm gonna like to clean the valves, lap the valves, put it again in the same position as it was, change the valve seals, do all the job to don't have any headache. Why is that? Because it will not gonna take me more than a minute for both valves. They don't have any problem actually. It looks nice. Dang it, where are we gonna focus now? Alright. It does have a problem. And I'm saying that, you know what, 2 days ago I lapped 64 valves for the CLS and for the 63. For 16 valves, and it's almost like a brand new, it's not gonna take me time. Takes me time, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna strip off the valves, springs, retainers, safe, everything. Put it in order, the valves, clean them, remove the carbon to be nice and clean and fresh. And let me show you on the inlet how it looks like inside, and you'll understand why I want to do that. Okay, let's see how that looks like. It's not that bad. Alright, but again, 23,000 kilometers, brand new car, new engine. There is also some sand here that fell inside, you know. Let's make it nice. Let's make it beautiful. I already removed the sealant, as you can see, from wherever had the sealant. I haven't even washed it, by the way. Alright, just remove the sealant and I remove one intake, one exhaust valve. And I have to place it in order. So, yeah, I will gonna sacrifice these valve seals because I want to lap the valves at the end of the day. Alright. But I want to make it to be perfect clean, you know, to don't have oil, to don't have a sand, to don't have a carbon, to be nice and shiny like any other time. Yeah, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm talking about the DLB. Don't fuck up, okay? DJH is different. It's a short block. Alright? Sorry if I repeat myself. That's for me. There are so many things going on here. And I can easily mix it up. Let me go outside now to see how it goes, the E400. I'm coming. Thank you. Over and out.